So traders, one of the weakest markets right now is the health sector. The health sector, now looking specifically at the sector called XLV, and you're looking at this right now, and one of the really big things I'm watching for in the health sector is, firstly, the health sector has been one of the weakest ones out of the whole lot, right? So we've had a lot of that. It's been the weakest one out of this year, and we'll continue to get a lot more weakness coming out of this level from here. So the health sector could be creating a massive topping pattern, and we could be getting ready for a really big drop to come. Now, let me just share this with you here. So I want to just, as we can see here, there's two things I really want to share with you here. Firstly, look what's forming. Now, this is a weekly chart, right? Weekly charts. So what do we see here from a weekly chart perspective? The first thing we see is what? We see that we've actually got this massive head and shoulder formation. Shoulder, head, shoulder, very clear head and shoulder formation. And that's the neckline there. So on a bare minimum basis, we're actually starting to break down now. As you can see, we actually came down recently. We came all the way back up, hit resistance, and then completely rejected off that level from there. Right? So what do we see also? Shoulder, head, shoulder. The health sector could be one of those. Now, this is the thing for me, traders, okay? I hope you can see here, and make sure you go access to my, I'm giving my full complete access to my trading course, link in the description, or if you'd like more hand-holding coaching, second link, you can apply for my inner circle. But looking at this level from here, I'm looking at this level here because we're creating a massive head and shoulder formation, and I'm always looking for these opportunities, right, guys? I keep an eye on the entire market, cryptocurrencies, foreign exchange, gold, silver, commodities, individual stocks. I am watching it all. Why? Because there's always these opportunities, right? And there's all these opportunities everywhere, from individual stocks to whatever. This is one of the markets I'm keeping a close eye on because there could be some amazing shorting, put options, opportunities along the health sector right now. I may or may not be short already on a health stock. Anyway, so, and what a quinky dink, right? Look at this here. And that projection is now what? If I bring this down here, the projection is, isn't that a bit of a quinky dink? Quinky dink simply means what a coincidence, right? For you guys that don't understand what that means, coincidence, right? So we can see that level through there. So this is the weekly chart. So if I go down to now, that's the weekly chart there. If I go down to the daily chart, and then I bring on my moving averages from here and I squeeze everything up, look at this level from here. So right now, it may not happen straight away, but there's a good chance now that that we're either gonna do two things. Firstly, we can see here that my blue moving average is what? See how it's coming straight down from there? So we could be getting, we've already had a rejection of resistance. We could either A, just start to make our way down to here, or B, we could actually have something like that, and then we go down to here, and then we start to hit that level from there. Now, it probably will overshoot a little bit as well too, because that's what the market tends to do. Once we get to these targets, it may do something like this, come back down, and it'll overshoot, and then maybe start to come back up from there. But there could be something also much bigger at play as well too. The reason why is because if I bring on some short, the recent trend line that's actually been formed was through here. You see this trend line from here, right? See this trend line, support, and now we're actually breaking down, and now we're at this support level here. So this is looking really weak. Massive rounding top formation, huge head and shoulder formation. The health sector looks really sick, right? It's no longer healthy anymore. And so we can see it from there. And the second, and I should say, and the second thing I do say is, oh, by the way, if this is the start of a much bigger down leg from here, then this could end up back down towards this low level through here somewhere. So that could be the level I'm really focusing on, this whole major support level through here. That is the big key level I'm actually watching for. But the other thing I want to share with you here is my moving average. When my moving average is trending in a direction, this is the 24 moving average weekly chart, very strong trending to the upside. Then we have a flat, then we have a strong trending. Now we're strong trending on the downside. So we're creating heads and shoulders, lower highs, strong moving average. I'm telling you right now, guys, the health sector could be one of those sectors that not many people are talking about that could give us some really good shorting opportunities when it comes to shorting or when it comes to put options. Just at the end of the day, guys, don't just take a trade based on what I just said in this video, okay? You don't just do that. when I'm saying this, I'm watching this, but then I'm looking for my trading setup. It's called trading pattern. I don't just take a trade because I think. I utilize systems and a trading pattern that I look for. And if I can get my trading pattern now on this here with what I just said with you, winner, winner, chicken dinner.